Do you know that quality image would increase how your design pops out? Welcome back to Design Engineer Studio. So in today's video, we want to learn how to increase the quality of an image from a blur image to the quality one. And when client gives you a blur image, so you can increase the quality and sharpen the structure of the image. We want to learn how. So the app name is Remini. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, here is it. It's used to enhance the image quality. You can pay 1,170 per week. I'll come to my cancel here. So when I cancel it, I tap on this image. So it asks me to watch an ads or pay for the pro. So I will be watching an ads. So it's loading now. So after watching the ads, here is the before and here is my after. But you notice something here, that the quality of the image is increased, but the color of the image is desaturated. So you can come to auto color here and wait for the AI to process it. So now here we go. So this is the before at the left side here, and here is my after. So you can increase an image quality using this app. You see, this is the, and here is it. So, and you come to this download button here, so you save it and watch another. So click on done. Guys, if this video worth it, don't forget to click on subscribe button and smash the notification bell, so that content like this you don't miss them. See you guys next week Friday. Bye.